guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. I got so many requests from people just asking me what I do for my everyday hair routine. I wanted to say I'm a hot mess right now. I just washed my hair and let it air dry. This is my hair. I have a lot of hair. I'm blessed with very thick hair, but sometimes I just want a more polished look, and the Dyson Airwrap is just so great. I've had it for, I would say, about a year now, and I use it all the time. And I just wanted to show you in a quick video how I do my hair. For those of you that are thinking of getting an Airwrap and you just weren't sure how you're going to use it or what comes with it, this video is for you. So it comes in a beautiful box. It's actually quite elaborate and beautiful right here. And I got the entire kit with all of the brushes. So firstly, this is the wand that I'm going to be plugging in. This is the hairdryer accessory that I use to take out all the excess water from my hair. There's also a couple of brushes. Whether you've got thick hair or thin hair, it's for you. So you could just take out all the excess water and just tame your hair down to get into the actual process of curls or waves or whatever you're looking for. This is also a very, very useful brush. It's got a bit of my hair on it. A round brush. I also use this and these. So you're probably wondering what these are. So this actually fits onto the Airwrap handle, and you can actually put them on to your hair, every single strand. I'll show you the way I do it. I just section out my hair, and this is going to give you the beautiful polished curls. And what I love about it is that they are thin ones and thick ones, so you can get from a more tamed curly hair to a big hair effect. And they actually show you the direction that your hair is supposed to be going on. So I think that's pretty smart. I went to the tutorial when this device just came out, and I have to say it gives you that effect like you just walked out of a salon every single time, and that's why I loved it so much. But it took me a little while to invest in it because it is an investment, and I know for a lot of you want things that you are really going to use, and you want to be able to get your money worth of using the product, and I totally can relate. So I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe. I'd love to stay connected with you, and let's just get into it straight away, and I'll show you how I do my hair and like what's the final result. I'm definitely going to be starting by putting on a protectant just to seal the hair and just to give it a little bit of love. And today I'm going to be using the Joico Defy Damage Protective Shield. Again, it's just nice to use good products on your hair, and that's why I'm using that. But check out all of this hair. It's crazy. So I'm going to start the video. Guys, I'm done. What do you think? I just feel so beautiful. My hair feels like I just stepped out the salon, like I was telling you. It gives you this feeling every single time. I can do a proper hair flip with all these waves. The hair looks healthy. I didn't put a lot of heat in my hair, which is amazing. I have to say, in my opinion, the Dyson Airwrap is so worth it. My sisters are crushing over it as well. You just let me know what you think. I'm gonna let you be the judge of it, but I just feel like I'm in love. Thank you so much for jumping on, for watching today. Be sure to subscribe and click the little button somewhere so you get notifications when there's new videos. I never did that for a long time and I was missing out on some really good stuff. Until next time, bye.